Hello team, it's Sarah Mitchell from HR. I hope everyone's doing well. Today, we're diving into the simple yet highly effective world of virtual coffee chats. Virtual coffee chats might seem like a casual meetup, but they offer a wealth of benefits. In our current hybrid work environment, these chats serve as touchpoints that keep us connected, offer a venue for brainstorming, and provide a space for informal learning. Getting started is straightforward. Just pick a convenient time, send a Microsoft Teams or Zoom invite, and there you have it. All you need to do next is brew your favorite coffee or tea, click the link, and you're good to go. These casual chats can produce serious results. Take our ops team. They sorted out a complex scheduling issue during one of these virtual coffee sessions. Then there's the shipping team, who found it to be the perfect platform for sharing a software update. And let's not forget Cindy from customer support, who pitched an idea during a chat that we're now implementing. To make the most of your time, consider a few best practices. A loose agenda can help steer the conversation. Aim to keep the chat within a 15 to 30-minute window. And it's crucial to ensure that everyone gets a chance to speak. Remember, at Strive Logistics, we champion diversity and inclusion. So, make an effort to include team members from different departments or even different parts of the world. You'll not only enrich the conversation, but also broaden your own perspective. So, that's it for today's insight into the world of virtual coffee chats. These relaxed yet purposeful sessions can make your workday better and projects smoother, all while having fun. Signing off now, this is Sarah Mitchell from the HR team at Strive Logistics. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to hearing about your fruitful coffee chats soon.